question number 6. Find the quotient and remainder when 18x cube minus 6x square minus 30x plus 4 is divided by 3x minus 1. So 3x minus 1 and divide 18x cube minus 6x square minus 30x plus 4. And we need to find the quotient and remainder. Okay, to make 18x cube, 3x should be multiplied with 6x square. So 3x times 6x square is 18x cube, and negative 1 times 6x square is negative 6x square. Okay, so we have negative 30x plus 4. To make 30x, negative 30x, 3x should be multiplied with negative 10. So 3x times negative 10 is negative 30x, and negative 1 times negative 10 is negative 10 or positive 10. So we have positive, negative, and this one will be equal to negative. So we can say that quotient is 6x square minus 10, this one, and remainder is negative 6. Okay, once find integration of this division, we just calculated the polynomial divided by 3x minus 1 from part B. Give your answer in the form of a minus ln b, where a and b are integrated. Okay, so this term can be written by using remainder and quotient, so we can write it 18x cube minus 6x square minus 30x plus 4 over 3x minus 1 is equals to the quotient, which is 3x square minus 10, and we have the remainder, which is negative 6 over dividend, which is 3x minus 1. So we can use this equation in place of this equation. So integration from 1 to 5 and 6x square minus 10 minus 6 over 3x minus 1 with respect to dx. Okay, integration of 6x square is 6x square means x cube over 3 minus 10x, integration of 10 is 10x, and minus integration of 6 over 3x minus 1. So integration of 6 over 3x minus 1 with respect to dx. So here we will use formula integration of f of x, derivative of f of x over f of x. So this function has integration ln f of x. So we have function which is 3x minus 1 and its derivative is 3. So we can write it 2 times integration of 3 over 3x minus 1 derivative. So this will be equal to 2 times ln 3x minus 1. So we can use this integration here. So 2 times ln 3x minus 1 and from limit 1 to 5. Now plug the upper limit first. 2 times x cube means 2 times 5 cube minus 10 times x means 10 times 5 minus 2 ln 3x minus 1 means 3 times 5 minus 1. So 3 times 5 minus 1 minus, apply the lower limit. So 2x cube means 2 times 1 cube minus 10x means 10 times 1 minus 2 ln 3 times x means 3 times 1 minus 1. Okay, 2 times 5 cube is 250 and then 50 and then minus 2 ln 50 minus 1, which is 14. Okay, minus 2 negative plus 10 and then plus 2 times ln 3 minus 1 which is 2. 250 minus 50 10 200 200 minus 210 so 208 208 plus 2 ln 2 minus 2 ln 40. Okay, further solving we will have 208 plus 2 common and ln 2 minus ln 14. Here we will use ln property which says that ln a minus ln b is equals to ln a over b. So this will be 208 plus 2 ln 2 over 14 and this one is equals to 7 and this one is can be written as 208 plus 2 ln 1 over 7 and this one is equals to the 208 plus we use another property which says that ln a ln b is equals to the ln b to the power of a. So here 2 ln 1 over 7 to the power of 2 and this one is equals to the 208 plus ln 1 over 49 and this one is equals to the 208 plus ln 49 to the power of negative 1 and this one is equals to 208 negative ln 49. So this is the required answer in the form of a minus ln b, where a and b are integers. So here a is 208 and b is equal to 49.